So, when it comes to my 1952 GMC M211, I'm eventually going to restore it and get it running. But one thing I have been grappling with for quite a while is whether I should completely rewire it or not. So there's two schools of thought. The first one is, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. If everything is working, why change it up? But there is also the thought of, if you want something done right, you gotta do it yourself. So, the fuel pump is one big example. That's a 12-volt fuel pump on a 24-volt truck. And how it's wired in, whether the wiring was done well or not, I don't know. It looks like it kind of looks like a hack job to me. See, this truck has gone through so many owners. Of course, it was a military truck, and then it has gone through at least 2 civilian owners, and I'm not sure what's been done to it and by whom. And so for instance, these light switches here, there's the military light switch here, which isn't hooked up, and then there's these civilian light switches here. So if they work, do I leave well enough alone? Or maybe I should rewire it myself. That way I know that it's all good. So yeah, which should I go with? If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Or if you want something done right, you gotta do it yourself. Of course, I do have to replace this taillight, and I'll probably have to figure something out with the wires here. But I do have the new taillight, so that's one step figured out.